Hi guys, my name is Roger, and I'm building a mid-engine supercar in the basement of my home. I put together this short picture montage to show the progress that I've made so far, so let's take a look at it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you think you'd be interested in seeing the car completed, please subscribe to the channel. I post updated videos every week. If you have any questions about the build, please post them below in the comments section and I'll do my best to answer your questions. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.